Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this viral motion graphic animations in Canva. So I'm going to just show you the easiest one. What you need to do is just prepare the background first. So I'm using this grid background. You can just go to elements and find for grid and add this grid photos right here. Now click on the text and add your tags. So in here I'm going to just write when it's notification. Okay, here you can choose the font that you like and adjust the position like this. And for this one, I'm going to highlight it by changing its color into yellow like this. And let me adjust the spacing. Okay, so once you do that, and then you can just click on elements in here and search for fire. Now click on the graphics and choose the animated one. So here I'm going to use this fire one in here, adjust the size. I'm going to put it in here. Now you can add another text. Here I'm going to add disciplined. Adjust the size. I'm going to put it in here. Can duplicate it and put it here. And for the next one, I'm going to write motivation and adjust the position like this and duplicate the fire in the same position like this. And now you can just here click on the videos in here. So trim all of the layer into the 1 second and duplicate it. Duplicate all of it just like this. And put it like this on top of the each other, just like the first layer. So after you copy or duplicate all of the elements, you can just click on the next layer in here, the next page, and click on the sphere and make it smaller. Do it again or repeat all the steps, so you can just duplicate it again and resize it to smaller and smaller and smaller like this. And on the last page you can adjust the transparency into 0 so that the fire will gradually disappear. So that's how you can make the viral motion graphics in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.